Please welcome Barbara Sanders, Vice President of Technology and Chief Architect for the Home Depot.
Thanks so much, Josh. Thanks for that wonderful introduction. I'm Barbara Sanders. I'm the Chief Architect for the Home Depot. I've been with Home Depot for over 17 years, and I spent the first 13 years in our headquarters in Atlanta. But I had the very good fortune to raise my hand and get transferred out here to Austin, so I'm a local resident here and sponsor and run our development sites. So as an Austin resident, I'd like to welcome all of you. Hope you had a chance to get out last night and explore and experience some of the music venues and the great culture that we have here. So first thing I'd like to do is just ground you a little bit in some of the scale of Home Depot. So we were founded in 1978. We just passed our 40th anniversary. We're real proud of that. So although it might, for startups in the audience, it might seem like an old company, we feel like we're a very young company. And very entrepreneurial, and the do-it-yourself culture is very much alive at our company. We run a little over 2,200 stores, and they are located in Canada, United States is where the bulk of them are, and then down in Mexico. And just a couple of fun facts, again, to help acclimate you to the scale, is that those stores are about 128,000 square feet. There are 30,000 SKUs in those stores. And if you think, not every one of those stores is unique. So all the applications and all the products, software products we have to put into the company to manage that footprint is just tremendous. What we are really, really proud about is we have 400,000 associates that we support each and every day, and we want to make sure those associates are empowered to provide the best customer experience. So I'll share a little bit of our journey. We have over 3,500 engineers in our technology department, and those engineers commit 6,000 Git commits a day, and we attribute that to the transformation we've undergone to modernize our software engineering. 91% of the software we run in the company is custom made. I attribute that a lot to the scale. We break everything. So software packages, we do run some. We run some SaaS services, and we run some ERP systems on our financial backends. So that's a little snapshot of the scale. We are transforming. So 4 years ago, we woke up. Retail, I know everybody in this room has experienced, has massively changed. The customer is absolutely in the driver's seat, and we got to stay there hip to hip with them and provide an environment to iterate and deliver those features to make it a compelling proposition to come shop the Home Depot. So the company doubled down, and we had over $11 billion committed to transforming our company, not just how we do software, but transforming the whole company to move to more of a product-based culture where we have hypothesis and we test and get things into the market quick, figure out what works, iterate, and move on. So we moved to a culture of products and experiences, really moving to customer experience, our associate experiences, and you'll see developer experiences as well. One thing we didn't want to lose as we transformed is our culture. What we believe the founders gave us is a tremendous gift, and we tenaciously guard it. And that is, they gave us our values. I think I've worked in several companies, and a lot of people may give lip service and have words on paper. We truly live our values. The value wheel, if you look at an apron in the store, is on the apron. I'll talk about two of them in a minute. And then the other construct we ground everything we do in is our inverted pyramid. And you see we put those customers first. Everything we do, we focus on what does it mean to that customer. And then our frontline associates are the secret sauce. If they're not happy, our customers are not happy. And the founders truly believe if you take care of your customers, you will get the business results. And we've had the benefit of that. Everything on the bottom is totally in support. And we even name our headquarters in headquarters in Atlanta, where 9,000 support people ingress into that building every day, the Store Support Center. So as we drive into the building, we are reminded every day it's all about the stores and our customers. So I just want to talk a little bit about two of the values. One is giving back to our communities. We believe that we really, really have to be grounded in giving back and contributing. Just here in Austin alone, we have built over 11 Habitat for Humanity houses, and that's just our technologists. The technology function, just the technology function in Atlanta has built over 40 houses, so we're really proud of that. And then we do community service. Just last week, our technologists joined with our stores to go out and rehab disabled veterans' houses here in Austin. The other one really is taking care of our people. And there's a program, of course, we have to put orange in front of everything, because we're Home Depot. We have a program called Orange Method. And as we all know, I think talent, the pools of talent, the pipelines of talent for tech is really getting tighter and tighter. Wonderful tech companies coming into Austin, so it's very competitive. And we said, hey, with that 400,000 associates out there, maybe we can look internal and create a program to give those associates an opportunity to come into technology careers. So we created an internal boot camp. We call it Orange Method. We bring people from the stores, our distribution centers, and even our IT help desk. They know our domains, they know our customers, they know our products, so they've got a lot of the background, and we put them through a 15-week immersive boot camp to teach them to code. Right from the get-go, very agile practices with extreme programming disciplines. We pair them up, we align them with feature teams, they take stories off the backlog, and they start coding. At the end of that, you can see here, this is one of our demo days. The ELT comes in. These associates have to demonstrate to our CEO and our CFO and our CIO the code that they write. And then we have a little graduation ceremony. They get up and talk about their stories. And we have a graduation, and their families, their kids, their parents. For some of them, it's the most significant event. And I tell you, there's not a dry eye in the room in the graduation ceremonies I've attended. So we're very proud of that. So anyway, on to our developer experience. We pivoted and went from projects to products. Products are enduring. Products are for the long game. The company can decide from year to year how much they want to invest, and the emphasis needs to shift around to address different problems, to address ability to gather more productivity, and we wanted to remove the constraints. One of the associates that works for me said, Barb, I kept a diary, and before we did this, making things easy, they had to go interact with 70 people outside of their team just to get code to production. Very bureaucratic, very top-down, so we blew all that up, removed the constraints, really pivoted to a culture of empowerment, because the talent and the folks and the techs coming into the workforce, we needed to harness that energy and that creative juices to really fuel the ideas that go into our products. We reset some of our tech stacks and partnered with Pivotal both in the platform to really align with the developer experience and create the automation, GitHub. And then we opened up and said, yes, there's other places we could run our software, and partnered with both Google and Microsoft for cloud solutions. And then the fundamental thing we did was encourage a collaboration. We reorganized the teams, so they're in 6 to 8 person squads. We redid our job families so that we brought product management as a formal technology discipline, along with the user experience, and then let the teams go. We did it all at once. We didn't go experiment and practice in one area. I say we pushed all the chips to the middle of the table and said, we're all in, we're going, and we went. So we even reset all the furniture and took it out so it would enable collaboration. We just built a 3-story building up north here in Austin, brand new from the ground up tech center, and it was built to be a modern software development center. So what has that done for us? It's just an example. We were able to get several award-winning applications. This is just the tip of the iceberg. There's hundreds of these we've been able to get into our stores, our customers' hands, our DC's hands, all kinds of stuff. We push over 500 production. That doesn't count the lower life cycles. 500 product changes a week. That's 2,000. And think, our code in some cases has to go to 2,000 stores. So just an amazing story of velocity there. And it is higher quality. You know, we talk about it's higher quality, but it is higher quality. When we started this journey, we would have over 50 severity ones, which means it impacts a significant portion of the chain or our customer set. 57 incidents. And that takes tens of people in war rooms for hours, just drains away the energy. This year, and I'm probably going to jinx myself here, but this year, knock wood, 0. 0. So we continue to double down and work on our automation. We're never done. Make it easier and take the friction out of the developer experience. And we've got to create that environment that really empowers our associates so they want to work, come and go do great things for our customers and for the Home Depot. So thank you so much for letting me share my story with you today, and I hope that you all are very successful in your journeys as well.